US30 and US100 both have seen a lows at 29,400 and 11,220 in the earlier session now, and now trying to bounce back a little. Now what can be expected today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Also press the bell icon. The next update on gold and Dow Jones and Nasdaq will be up before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start the day first with US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Now these are the early charts for US100. You can find it has got the support there earlier till towards 11,180 levels and trying to reverse from there. See a reversal or then a retracement and now trying to bounce back again. So yes, higher lows are seen. Yes, if you see it trading above this zone at around 11,350, yes, you can buy there at 11,350 and then expect that we may see 11,380, 420 and then in fact it can rise till towards 450 and 500. 11,500 is going to be a very strong resistance. Be careful there. The directional movement is bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trying to diverge and act bullish. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you will find that after achieving the bottom, it has reversed the last trading session, and then since that retraced a bit, trying to give you a little rise. But look at the candle there, lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade within this zone. Hence, if you see it trading above 11,350, then only I will recommend you to buy there. And yes, below 11,200. In fact, below 11,230, yes, you can sell there and again expect it to drop. See, it is trying to trade within this channel. Any breakout means what? Yes, if you see trading above 11,350, that is the time when one can consider it to be bullish. At the same time, below 11,230, you can expect it to trade bearish, and then 11,200, 11,170 and then lower levels can be expected. So one thing is clear, that do not trade between 11,230 and 350 levels. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen the highs there. The MACD has crossed over for a bullish move. The RSI is looking upwards and trading comfortable. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see there, see retracement, then 2 red candles, lower lows, lower highs. Yes, if you see it trading above 11,350, that is the level beyond which one can consider for the day for it to remain bullish. Else it can again continue with the drop. 11,200 levels and then below levels can be expected. Yes, you can sell there at 11,230 itself, but then expect 11,200, 180 zone as a very strong support zone. Below that you can certainly expect it to drop today itself towards 11,000 and below levels. The directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic has come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move. The RSI is trading oversold. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. Drop, reversal, lower highs there. And 2 red candles with a smaller body, and hence if you see it trading above 11,350, certainly buy there and expect it to rise. Remember, mark out the level at 11,350 on the upside, beyond which certainly one can remain bullish. On the downside, below 11,230, expect it to drop, but 11,200, 11,180 levels are going to provide a support. And this time if it breaks below 11,180, certainly one can expect 11,000 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic was oversold, trying to bounce back. The MACD is willing to converge. RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, first thing is lower highs are created, lower lows are created, trying to confine its movement between this zone 11,200 to 11,350. If it trades beyond this zone at 11,350, certainly consider it for a reversal. Else it may try to give you another red candle where you can expect certainly 11,180, and then this time it can try to take it till towards 11,000, which is a good support, and below levels are also possible. So sell there at 11,230, that is a good entry point. The directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is bearish and RSI is oversold. So yes, it has to bounce back, but it is trying to test a little lower levels. You can sell there at 11,230, but then expect 11,200, 11,180 levels to provide a support. Hence, below 11,230, if you are taking a short entry, you have to trade with strict stop loss, and at least put the stop loss to your cost price or entry price such that you can preserve your capital in case of a reversal, because till 11,180, 150 it can reverse any point of time. Below 11,150 it is certain that it is going to hit 11,000 levels, so 150 points you will easily get out there. On the upside, buy there at 11,350 till 11,350. Do not consider it for a reversal. Above 11,350, certainly you can expect a stronger move. Then 11,400 is the first target, and then directly it will land till towards 11,500, 550 zone. This is a very strong resistance zone. Be cautious of 11,480, 550 zone. This is going to be the stronger resistance there on the upside. So take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is starting on 3rd of October, 90 minutes live webinar sessions till for 15 days. And the strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details on same. Else join my Signals group, my Telegram Signals channel. A link is also mentioned in the description, so you can reach out to me via Telegram or email, both mentioned in the channel and video description. Else just support by becoming a Patreon. The Patreon site link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and if you see the US30, see US30 after the sharp drop it is seen. Yes, Friday I told you 29,350 will provide a support, and in fact this time it has. So US30 has seen the lows there sub 29,300 levels, close to 29,260. It has then seen a good sharp reversal achieved and close to 29,600 levels. Now look at this here. It is retraced a little and it is trying to reverse from here. See, on the upside, be careful here. It is trying to give you or trade in this channel. The highs there at around 29,600 levels are seen. Only bullish confirmation today is if it trades beyond this zone at 29,640, 620. If it trades beyond this zone, certainly 29,700 is the next target, which has to be passed by. Remember 29,700 and 29,800. These two levels, toughest nut to crack for US30 now, and then beyond that it will try to land till towards this zone at 29,950, 30,000 levels. Higher levels, but markets can achieve those. Now look at the hourly charts. It is trying to trade bullish. Possibly it can try to take it till 29,550, 29,600, and then a drop from there can be expected. Be cautious. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is bullish here, divergent. RSI is coming out of the oversold zone, indicating it is trying to retrace. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Lower highs, lower lows, and see the slope change here, and it is indicating that possibly we may see a little rise. But look at it here. See lower highs, and hence 29,600 is now a critical number for us for the day. If you see US30 trading about 29,600, buy there. Then expect 29,680, 700 as the stronger resistance, and beyond that we can see a sharper move ahead on the upside. And if you look at the directional movement is bearish, stochastic has come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is still trading bearish and trying to converge, and RSI trying to come out of the oversold zone, indicating it is trying to show you little strength, little bullishness. But look at the 3-hour charts. See on the 3-hour chart, the drop, retracement, then a red candle. The highs there at 29,600. You have to be very cautious and alert till towards 29,600 level today. Beyond 29,600, certainly you can expect 29,680, 700, 29,800, and then 29,950, 30,000 can be seen. So buy about 29,600. That is very clear. On the downside, see here it is trying to give you another red candle. The first red candle with lower highs and lower lows are seen. This is an expanding channel there. You can see this is an expanding triangle. The bottom of this at around 29,350 levels, 29,300 levels, and hence it is trying to expand a little. Hence you have to be cautious between 29,300 and 29,650, the larger trading zone for the day. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge, and RSI is trading over. So now look at the 4-hour charts. See the retracement and then lower highs, lower lows trying to trade within this channel. The next candle will decide which direction it wants to take. Only bullish confirmation is if you see US30 trading about 29,600. Buy there, expect 29,680, 700, then 29,800, and then beyond that we may see a fly. we may see it flying till 29,600. Every rise is an opportunity to sell. On the downside, be cautious of 29,400. Below that, certainly you can expect 29,300, 250, and then it may break strongly on the downside. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is coming out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trading at bottom here. Like now, see on the daily charts, lower highs are done. Lower lows are already seen, trying to confine its movement between this. Yes, above 29,600, certainly you can expect 29,650, 680, 700, and then beyond that it will fly high. On the downside, every rise till 29,600 is an opportunity to sell. Yes, you can sell here at 29,480, expect 29,400 again, and then below that we can see a good drop for 29,350, 300 and below levels. Directional movement, divergent and bearish. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. Hence, indicators are oversold here on the charts, and possibly a little bounce back can be expected. So in between 29,600 and 29,480, do not try to take any position. In fact, on the downside, you have to be alert and cautious till towards 29,300 levels, and on the upside 29,650, 680 levels. This is going to be a larger zone in which US30 might show you a swing, but yes, you take the advantage of the swings on the either sides. Sell below 29,480, buy above 29,600. Be cautious of 29,650, 680 levels, and beyond that certainly it is a good rally out there. On the downside, be cautious. Yes, you can sell there at 29,480, expect 29,400, 29,300 as a support zone, and below that we can see it to crash till towards 29,000 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.